Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Let's learn about ABC Phonics from A to Z.
A, for astronaut. A, for anchor. B, for balloon. B, for bucket. C, for castle. C, for candle. D, for drum. D, for dice. E, for engine. E, for eraser. F, for fun. F, for fork. G, for guitar. G, for glass. H, for hammer. H, for house. I, for igloo. I, for ink. J, for jacket. J, for jar. Coop, for keyboard. Coop, for kettle. L, for lamp. L, for ladder. M, for mirror. M, for magnet. N, for notebook. N, for needle. O, for oven. O, for office. P, for pencil. P, for pillow. Q, for cue. Q, for quilt. R, for rocket. R, for road. S, for spoon. S, for school. T, for table. T, for tunnel. U, for umbrella. U, for uniform. V, for van. V, for vase. W, for watch. W, for window. X, for x-ray. X, for xylophone. Y, for yarn. Y, for yogurt. Z, for zipper. Z, for zigzag.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell. See you again on ABC Spotlight.